Welcome to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast for April 26, 2026. I'm your host, bringing you 2.5 minutes of the top headlines, price action, and trends moving the digital asset markets today. Here's what's topping the crypto news this Friday. First, European banks are going all in on crypto. Major lenders like KBC in Belgium, Spain's BBVA, Germany's DZ Bank, and France's Societe Generale have launched Bitcoin and Ethereum trading for retail clients inside their regular banking platforms, thanks to new UI rules from MiCA. Why does it matter? This shift puts digital assets straight into trusted banking channels, instantly expanding access to millions. Experts say the addressable crypto market in Europe could jump to 25% of the population by 2030, up from around 9% today. For investors, it's a sign that regulated crypto adoption is speeding up through familiar institutions rather than standalone exchanges. Next up, U.S. spot Bitcoin ETFs have just wrapped up a 9-day streak of net inflows, pulling in over $2 billion from April 14th through the 24th. BlackRock's IBIT led with daily inflows, and Bitcoin's price moved up 10% this month, trading around $77,500. Despite Bitcoin trading more than 30% below last year's highs, these inflows show that ETF investors are holding steady through volatility, signaling confidence in digital assets as a long-term investment. For those watching fund flows, the trend is bullish, even as some days saw smaller inflows or slight outflows in Ether funds. Looking at institutional moves, Goldman Sachs has filed with regulators for its own Bitcoin Premium Income ETF. If approved, it would offer investors a way to earn option premium income on spot Bitcoin using covered call strategies. Goldman already holds $1 billion in spot Bitcoin ETFs from other managers, but this marks a push for Wall Street-branded, structured crypto income products, catering to clients who want Bitcoin exposure but prefer steady payouts over wild price swings. This development further cements Bitcoin's status on major financial platforms and could intensify competition among traditional asset managers. Finally, the quantum clock is ticking for Bitcoin's core security. A new scientific breakthrough suggests quantum computers could one day crack crypto wallets that have previously exposed their public keys, which includes around 6.9 million Bitcoins, over a third of the total supply, including Satoshi Nakamoto's original coins. While mining is safe, wallet ownership could be at risk if Bitcoin's cryptography isn't upgraded. Unlike Ethereum, which already has a quantum resistance roadmap, Bitcoin's developer community is split on urgency and coordination. For now, investors should keep an eye on any progress toward quantum-resistant upgrades, because if quantum breakthroughs come sooner than expected, the window to respond could be narrow. To recap, banks are now mainstreaming crypto in the EU, ETF inflows show strong institutional conviction, Goldman Sachs wants to sell structured Bitcoin income, and everyone in the industry is now eyeing quantum security as a future risk. For daily insights and more deep dives, subscribe to the Bitcoin Crypto Daily News podcast, check out our blog for full stories, and follow us for tomorrow's biggest updates.